excited about this trip.
La 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 la. It's down at the New Amsterdam. It's down at this yellow-haired girl.
Man, it's beautiful out here. I found a blanket. Good. You can just lay it out anywhere. Okay. I think I better get some firewood. It's going to be getting dark. Okay. I'll see you when you get back. I think I'm going to take a nap. Okay. I'll hurry back. Okay, bye. Bye. Some wood. Gabby? Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, guys, I'm like so ready to go camping.
What's wrong with me? Why do I feel like this? I'm going crazy now. No more gas in the red. Can't even get it started. Nothing heard, nothing said.